So yeah, guys, my name is Kumar. You are watching me. Let's start this video without having the further delay. So basically, this video is going to be the routine of 18th June 2025, and today is Wednesday. So basically, in this video, I'm going to share you like what is actually happening in my throughout the whole days of routine video, like what I had done and what I had not done. So basically, in this video, I'm going to share you. So let's start. So basically, today, first of all, I woke up. Then after that, I washed my mouth. Then after that, you know. After that, I checked my School of Open University sole exam date sheet, right? So basically, I had checked. So from the 22nd June, right, my second semester exam begins, right? So basically, what is actually will be gonna to happen with this? That is my first semester exam of the School of Open University. Basically, let me explain. Let me explain or in detail wise, right? So I am pursuing BCom honors from School of Open University. It is a part of Delhi University, and this period is going to be the first year of my college life, on which in every year there is two semester exam. In every year of college, there is two semester exam. So the first semester exam I had already given to the month of January or December or January, maybe I think so. And the second semester, which is the last semester of the first year, my exam begins. Last semester exams of the first year, my exam begin from the 22nd June 2025, right? Then after giving the exam, I will go to the second year student of the college, right? So this is the simple concept, right? So from the 22nd June, my second semester exam begins. Then basically, uh, basically my first exam is going to be happen of corporate law, right? And second exam, maybe I think so that environmental science theory into subject, and third exam is going to be happen corporate accounting, maybe I think that's right. So then after some time later, I went back with I went somewhere with my mother, right? Then after some time later, I came home, right? Then after that, I shot a previous day's routine video, right? I had shot the previous days of routine video. Then after that, I talked to my mother. Then my mother brought paneer and paneer masala, right? So that, then after that, I cooked, right? So at the time of um, basically at the time of evening, I ate food, and after some time later, I went for the sleep. So basically, guys, this is the thing what has actually happened in my today's written video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kindly please like it, because whenever you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a very continuous manner, right? So basically today I cooked paneer sabji, right? Matar paneer sabji, right? So basically today is the first time I think that the paneer sabji what I cooked. So yes, guys, basically I cooked the paneer matar paneer sabji. Basically this is the thing what is actually gonna happen, right? So now I'm going to revise some basic concept of taxation, right? So let's start. So exception to the general rule that income of a previous year is taxed in its assessment year. So there is some exception when the rule that is previous year taxed in assessment year will not be followed, right? So that exceptions are: in the following cases, income of the previous year is assessed in the same year in order to ensure a smooth collection of income tax from the taxpayer who may not be traceable if assessment is postponed till the commencement of the assessment year. The person who is not traceable regarding the tax, then that tax will be collected to the same previous year, right? So let's start. So the exceptions are as: first is income of a non-resident SSC from shipping business. Okay, shipping. I'm also gonna to highlight as well as per section 172, right? Income of a person who is leaving India, li- person who is leaving India either permanently or for a long period. Section 174. Income of bodies formed for a short duration. Section 174A, income of a person who is likely to transfer property to avoid taxes. Section 175, income of a discontinued business. Okay, in this case the assessing officer has the discretionary power. He may assess the income in the same previous year or may wait till the assessment year. So okay, this is the exception where on the same previous year tax will be considered, right? So let's start. Now I'm going to discuss the types of persons who can be subject to tax. Who can give the tax? By whom person can give the tax? Maybe it is a person or not a person. Who can give a tax, right? So the first person is an individual, right? So human being are the most popular example who can give the tax, right? So an individual, human beings including minor person and person of human being, types of person who can be subject to tax. Okay, human beings. In human beings there should be a human beings, all human beings plus including a minor person, a person of unsound mind, from a person who is not a sound mind, from whom we can also take the taxes, from a person who is minor, not more than 18 years old, right? From that person we can collect taxes, right? So trustee of a discretionary trust shall be assessed as an individual. Now second is a Hindu undivided. So first of all let me highlight individual, that is human being including minor person, unsound mind, trustee. Now the second is HUF, Hindu undivided family, till partition, including wives of the members and unmarried daughters. It also includes Jain and Sikh family. So in Hindu undivided family are also the part of taxable. Also included, similarly in individual character there is a minor person or unsound mind person is also added. Similarly in HUF, the wives as well as unmarried daughters are also the part of taxable income, right? And also it includes Jain and Sikh families. Now second is a company, includes any body corporate and a foreign company. It also includes institutions, associations, bodies which are declared as companies by CBDT, Central Board of Direct Taxes, right? So yes, this is all guys what is actually all happened till here. And there are the fourth person is a firm, includes firm like partnership firms. A person firm is more than two persons are required to build a partnership firm. So a firm includes LLP, limited liability partnership, maybe I think so, incorporated under this Indian law. Fifth is association of person. Now what is association of person? AOP, right? So group of persons, whether individuals, HUF, companies, firms, etc., who joins together for common purposes. Okay, a group of persons, whether the firm or a company or a HUF, Hindu undivided family, right, or an individual joins for some purposes, that will also be a part of tax, right? To pay the tax, liable to tax, right? Now association of persons, AOP, right, or a body individuals. Now what is body individuals? Group of individuals, individual only who join together for common purposes. Okay, whether incorporated or not. Now sixth is a local authority, includes a municipal committee, district board, body of court commissioner, panchayat, cantonment board, or other authorities legally entitled to or entrusted by the government with the control and management of a municipal or local fund. Note, on the basis of a well settled principle that the crown cannot be charged to tax. Okay, it can be said that unless otherwise specifically mentioned, the union government cannot be taxed in India. Okay, the crown cannot be charged, so union government cannot be taxed in India. We can take taxes from PM, right? But in case of union government, right, for the central government, maybe I think so will not be charged tax, right? Maybe I think so that all the taxes came to the union governments, maybe I think so. Now the last is every artificial or natural juridical person not falling within any of the preceding categories include DTs, idols, university, bar, council, etc. So these all are the such kind of things which is a types of persons who can be subject to tax as per section 2 subsection 31. So yes guys, I think it is all enough for today guys. So let's end the video guys. See you again. Bye bye.